Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Before we start our presentation, I will show you some details. So this is our product, lots of cactus. That means lots light, music, and wave. So our product is about Bluetooth speaker lamp. So this we designed this for travelers like who going to campers, and also the single person like we students. So we think it's kind of so for this product we designed as wireless, portable, and easy to use. So and also design inspiration is about whale's tail, and why whale's tail is about this simple form can bring people the image of the whole body of the whale, and also the horizon line of the sea. So we choose the inspiration as the whale's tail. And about modeling procedure, in this project, we think doing the top-down modeling and both bottom-up procedure at the same time. And that's because, like already Professor said, kind of top-down modeling and bottom-up procedure should have to be going together. But sometimes it's really hard to going together, so we try to do that things. So at the first of top-down procedure, we just draw some sketches for visualize the shape, and also considering the volumes and kind of aesthetic things, and also about colors and lots of things.
For the bottom procedure, set the main functions and how to realize it, and find out inner parts such as electric circuit, touch sensing board, speaker, and LED lamps.
And at the next of top-down modeling, after we firstly do some draft about bottom-up and top-down modeling, and we give some feedback to each other, like how top-down modeling affects to the bottom-up modeling, also about vice versa. So after that things, and we draw 2D sketches for 3D modeling and make some vocal clay model to see the forms more precisely. And next, about bottom-up procedure.
The next bottom procedure was to recognize the inner parts, touch sensing buttons, speaker, and LED lamps, make the necessary inner parts to 3D model.
So after we decide a precise shape and also inner part and function of the product, and then we start to do some 3D modeling. And this is about Bluetooth speaker body modeling. I firstly make the shape here and cut and give some details. And actually, this is really difficult part. I cut some spiral line at the front of this shape. And how do I make this? Firstly, I draw some spiral line and give some offset. And swell to the surface and also draw some curves following that line. And I really try lots of time to make this line, like two tangents to this surface. And after that, I do some surface loft. And this is because if we just do surface lofting cut, and SolidWorks didn't work because he said, SolidWorks said, 두께 값이 없는 저. I don't know why. But I tried lots of time and I make surface and extend the surface and cut off like this. And also I do some loft cut at the back side and I give some detailed inner part. In this process, actually I didn't measure the size precisely, so I do some change of the entire size and put the inner part circuits and also switch buttons and complete.
In the radiator case, in order to express the organic shape of race tails as possible as similar, so we try to think how we do. So we decided to use loft function and to describe all the surface smoothly. We made lots of sketches and looked at each other. So sketch and looked. We had more sketches rather than this. And this is shell. As you know, in this case, this part was very narrow, so shell is not easy. So I did in this way that merge this part and this part and shell respectively and cut by the surface of offset and then merge them and looked and made the waist test expression very smoothly and organic.
And this part is the prototyping procedure, but I think you guys already know this process because we worked together, so I will skip it. Yeah, this is the picture of ours. And this is the most interesting part of the presentation. So, can you turn off the light? Oh. Yeah. I think I need this slide. This is our prototype. The most characteristic things is the simple control system of this product and the aesthetic aspect. I explain about the control system. Yeah, there are just two buttons on there. One is on the speaker here, and another one is on the stand. This is this metal ring is the touch sensing switches. So I will show you this. If I touch it, right, and if I want to control the intensity of the light, touch a long time, it become dimmer and become brighter. And touch it, it turn on. And I did tethering it, so if I touch this button, wait, wait. He is nervous. Younger than I am. Please wait a minute. See this one? Yeah. Yes. Sorry. Yeah, this is our rendering and prototype, the photographs. So, we actually our product is portable and very aesthetically beautiful. So we think it is very valuable souvenir, and finally we will show the last movie of our product, about our product. Let's see this. This is a full version.
about the assembly line and allowance is also part of design. Like, actually, our rendering view is quite good, but I think this one is more looks good because of this line. I don't intend this line, but after we make this, I think this kind of allowance line and also assembly line can also make some feelings or can also give some lines of harmonious. So this is also part of line, so we should have considered about that thing. And also I already said the modeling procedure of both top down and bottom up at the same time can inspire and feedback to each other procedure. And about defining form, it's not only about shape and aesthetic, but also about function and feasibility. I always said these words at the midterm presentation, and I really realized what this means in this project. Thanks.